Hello there. Today, we're diving deep into Gridwise, a top-notch mobile app designed to help rideshare and delivery drivers maximize their earnings. Gridwise accomplishes this by providing crucial data like local events, airport activity, and weather forecasts. It also lets you track your earnings and mileage across different platforms like Uber, Lyft, and DoorDash. In essence, Gridwise acts as a personal business manager for rideshare and delivery drivers. Let's talk about key features. Gridwise offers real-time alerts about local events, which can help drivers find more fares. The app also provides insights into airport activity, a major source of rides. You can track your earnings and mileage across multiple platforms and see your performance stats. Plus, Gridwise provides weather forecasts, so you can plan your driving schedule accordingly. It's like having an intelligent assistant constantly looking out for your best interests. Now, let's discuss pricing. Gridwise operates on a freemium model. The basic version is absolutely free and provides the core features we've discussed. However, for a more comprehensive experience, there's Gridwise Plus, priced at $9.99 per month or $95.99 per year. This premium version offers additional features like advanced airport alerts, full access to historical data, and priority support. So, who should ideally use Gridwise? It's perfect for rideshare and delivery drivers who want to maximize their earnings. Whether you're driving for Uber, Lyft, DoorDash, or another service, Gridwise can help. Even if you're driving part-time or just on weekends, Gridwise's insights can be invaluable. It's also beneficial for drivers who switch between different services, as it allows you to track your earnings and mileage across platforms. Looking at advantages, Gridwise provides real-time data and insights that can significantly increase your earnings. The app helps you find more fares by alerting you about local events and airport activity. It also helps manage your business by tracking your earnings and mileage. Plus, Gridwise is very user-friendly, and the freemium model allows you to test the basic features before deciding on a premium subscription. However, Gridwise does have some limitations. For instance, it's available only in select cities in the United States, so if you're outside these areas, you can't take advantage of the app. Also, while the basic version is free, some key features are only available in the premium version. Finally, the app's effectiveness can vary based on your location and the level of activity in your area. Key takeaways. Gridwise is a powerful app for rideshare and delivery drivers, offering real-time data and insights to maximize earnings. Its user-friendly design, comprehensive features, and freemium model make it a worthy tool. However, limited availability and the cost of premium features may be downsides for some users. Overall, it's worth trying out if you're in a supported location and keen to boost your earnings. And that's a wrap on our analysis of Gridwise. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. We're always here to help you make informed decisions. Until next time, stay safe and drive smart.